The next destination on our Greece trip was the island of Crete. We took an overnight ferry where we even had a little cabin so we could get some sleep, and by 7:30 the next morning we had arrived in Hania. Well, technically in Suda, but from there it's a short bus ride into the town of Hania. And we actually stayed in the neighboring town called Kato de Ratsos, which was right by Golden Beach, which we walked to every single day. And here we stayed for the next 5 days and just enjoyed the friendly neighborhood cats and walking to the beach.